Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to allow microphone access on Discord using the web version. With the new update, it's easier than ever, so let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Discord web app. You can simply type Discord in your search engine or enter the URL directly. Once you're on the Discord web page, look closely at the address bar at the top of your screen. Next to the web address, you'll see a small icon, usually a padlock or an information symbol. Click on that icon to view site information. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with various options regarding the website's settings. Look for the option labeled Site Settings and give it a click. This will open up a new window dedicated to the permissions for this particular site. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the site settings, scroll down until you find the Permissions section. Under this section, you'll see the microphone permissions listed. Make sure to enable microphone access if it's currently set to blocked. Simply toggle the setting to allow Discord access to your microphone. And that's it. You've successfully enabled microphone access for Discord on the web. Now you're ready to chat with your friends or jump into that game without any audio issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.